Hello guys, welcome back to Apprenticers Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called BTR System version 1. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation and capture the flag. So this system we focus on only the IDO exploitation. That's it. So first open the terminal. You just type here sudo su, enter your password. Now you just type here net discover minus I, hit 0. So first we would like to identify our target machine. Let's come back here. So I identify my target machine is here. So now just type here nmap minus 34 minus a is on a scan and enter. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with FTP, another one is available with SH, another one is available with 80. It's in Apache server. So FTP is available for anonymous login. So now I would like to go and look here. So file, new tab, you just type here FTP, enter your target IP address 192.168.18.70. Enter your username as anonymous, password is same. Now I just type here rest minus L. So there is no anything else, so I just exit here. So first I would like to visit my targeted IP address 192.168.18.70. Now let's see here BTRSYS. So it's taking, why it's taking too long? So I would like to enter in another target. So let it come. So we just copy this one, come back here. So first we would like to go with the directory master. Let's go. Now file, new tab. Now you would like to go with the Nicto minus H. And let's go here. So I have got here BTRSYS unsafe file. So Archimedes job. So I prefer not to say what is this language. So let's see here. So once again, so this is a pen test. I prefer not to say what type of this coding language. Hard to read all this. Now I would like to look the directory buster first. So in the directory buster, there is nothing else. One is uploads, another one is in JavaScript. That's it. Let's see here. So there is no useful information we have got with the directory buster. So just type clear. So let's see here what else I can get it for the. So I got it as login.php. So first I would like to go to a login.php. So just walk to the login.php. So we really don't know the username and password. So we just view the page source first. So you can analyze this function control. So how this login page will be executed. So function for control. So where user equal to a document get element ID user value. Where password document to get element ID by a password and value. So where a string user as a substring user as a last index at the rate at user length. Okay, and if password if alert hack for dead, else if string equal to BTRSYS.com alert Anissa Bilbis. So I prefer not to say what is this coding language. So we go for a login. So uh, I would like to use with as an admin at the rate btrs.com. Then password is password. Let's try here. I would like to log in here. So here I got like personal.php. So let's see here. So it's not the real uh, thing. So we not get from here anything. So let me look here. I just open the website. So let's come back here. Let it load. Okay. So here also not work out. So now what I would like to use here is, so first we would like to go back here. So first just complete this. So now I would like to just open a notepad. So I would like to enter as password. So okay, let it come here. Password R1 equal to 1. You just type here. So you can copy this payload. So I'm going to executing here as payload. So let it done. So I have get a warning of MySQL before I not get. So I need to modify something here. So I just need to modify. I just need to give one space. So just copy. Now let's come back here and paste it. So I have successfully logged in here. So now you can look here: Ismail Kaya, Ahmad, Mohsabe, Nazir, Lokan Tachi. So I prefer not to say what is this and all. So you would like to look the browser. So then we would like to look. So input ID. So file type must should be like JPG or PNG. Okay. So I open the website in the proxy. So let it open as a proxy. So okay. So you don't need to worry. So we have got already this one. So I'm just reading this one. Now come back here. So you would like to know first I've config this your IP address. You just type your mousepad rshell.php. So I have successfully configured my IP addresses here on port. So just close this. Now we just copy as rshell.php to rshell.png. That's better. Now I have here rshell.png. So now what I would like to do here is, so first, open a Firefox, click on this, click on PubSub. Now, click on browse. If I go back here, home, then click on this partial.png. Just OK. Then come back here, intercept this R. Now, I would like to submit this. Upload. So here, once you see here rshell.php, so it's on the way. So now I would like to put here as rshell.php. So just forward this one. So dosa ukulele. Dosa ukulele means I think it was successful. So now what I would like to do here is, now let me set up a netcat listener. So just write clear, just write the netcat lvmp 1234. Now this is intercept, so intercept. Okay, so just off. Now let me off this disable. Now let me look here as rshell.php. So it may be in the uploads rshell.php. So why I would like to try as an upload, so you can get down. So just write here tag to the struct http, enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.70. let me look here, assets, javascript, let's see here. So here, so just copy this one. So first I would like to visit first uploads. Here my rshell.php, yes, so my rshell.php is successfully saved here. So just write clear. Now come back here, so you just click on this, that's it. So come back here, close this. So you have successfully got the reversion. You just write id, you got it here. So you just write here which Python, you got it here. You just write here Python and C, import a pdy span bin bash. Now I have got it here, BTR system version 1. So now what we would like to do here is, so now I would like to go for local privilege escalation. So cd home list minus here, cd role list minus here. So it's not a directory. So file role file role is a directory, but cd role list minus here. So no have any useful information. cd where www html. Now just write your list minus here. So now where we would like to get here is config.php. So just write here cat config.php. So for root is a tool and denim. So echo MySQL, so that's prefer not to say. So now just type here as so there is an MySQL. So I would like to go with the MySQL minus u is a root database as dynamic paste it here. Password is tool That's it. We have kept to a password. Now just type here show databases. It's like information schemas or everything. So you just type here show tables. It's in user. So select star from user. So I have got here as Ahmed Parola. Parola means in change like a password. So this is a password. We have got it here. So now you just type here as exit. You just type here su root. Then password is this one. AST. Copy. Paste it. Yes, we have successfully came here. So just type here who am I? We are in the root. Now you just type here cd root this one is here. Nothing else. That's so we have successfully completed this mission. So you tried your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.